Here we have this Carrier Tech2000 WeatherMaker heat pump. Was hoping it'll be running in heat mode, but unfortunately that does not seem to be the case. This is data. Hasn't been running. There's a Goodman unit. I saw on Google Maps this actually replaced another one of these. Suction line, everything's buried by molds there partially. It's got a Gentech motor. It's got a compressor blanket, so I don't know what type it has. Probably a scroll. I don't know though. And that disconnect box is more than likely not original. As you can see the comparisons between the two disconnect boxes, that one's definitely more outdated than that one. Might get it running in cool mode this spring or summer, but as for now, this is just kind of a walk around video of it. So yeah, see y'all in the next one.